Hello everybody, it's my 2 cents worth coming back at you from up at the north shores of the Outer Banks right after the big boom cyclone. We just dug something up, hadn't looked at it yet, but it is in that pile right there. And let's see what we can find. It sounded really good. Oh, it's black. And can't really make out what it is. Oh, there it is. There we go. Looks like a 2 real. It's about the size of a 2 real, and I can see it. I cannot make a date out on it. It is so black. You can see the pillars on the back if you can catch that in the sun. I don't know if you can see it or not, but anyway, I'll have to clean that up a little bit and get back at you. Anyway, great day, awesome day. Back at you.